The benefits of using aloe vera for skin whitening and a recipe to use at home. 1. Darkened areas of skin can be a problem for many people. The pigment within the skin can appear darker and even leave patches which are not pleasing to the eye. 2. This can be caused by general pigmentation, chemicals in cosmetic products, chafing, sweating, rubbing or dead skin cells. 3. The good news is that there are many natural methods to lighten the skin. In today's video we will share with you a remedy using aloe vera. You will need 1 fresh aloe vera leaf, 1 lemon, and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Method: remove the gel from the aloe vera leaf and mix with the juice of 1 lemon and rose water. Massage this into the skin using circular motions and then let it sit for 15 minutes. Wash with a mild soap and repeat on a daily basis. 4. This mixture will gently exfoliate the skin and provide vitamins and minerals to help new healthy skin cells to grow. 5. The new skin cells will be lighter and more natural looking. Aloe vera is one of the world's most powerful natural cures for all kinds of skin related problems. 6. You can use aloe vera gel alone without the need for lemons or rose water if you are treating a rash, skin irritation or sunburn. 7. Many people also add freshly ground turmeric to this mixture. The turmeric spice contains powerful compounds which further speed up skin lightening. 8. You can also try our baking soda method as seen in our other video. Please see the interactive button at the end of today's video. 9. The citric acid found within the lemon also speeds up the skin lightening process. The rose water helps to rehydrate the skin and provide a unique and wonderful smell. 10. Cucumber juice and aloe vera gel can be mixed together to produce a lightening and rejuvenating treatment for the skin. This works on sensitive areas such as below the eyes to get rid of dark circles and eye bags. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.